Hey everybody, welcome to Crafting with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. I am in my backyard. I am going to rush inside and make a shirt with some of that Cricut UV activated heat transfer vinyl. We don't have a lot of sun left, but I am going to give it my what? Good old college try. I'm going to show you what it looks like and see if you like it. If you do, if you find it helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and turning on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Now, without further ado, I'm gonna rush in, make the shirt, come back out, and show you what it looks like. You ready? Let's get started. The materials I'm going to use for this project include my Cricut Explore Air 2. I'll use my green standard grip mat. I'll use a combination of two colors from the new Cricut color changing heat transfer vinyl. I'm using a navy blue 100% cotton shirt and my pen weeding tool. My heat press is a StarCraft clamshell 15 by 15 and the image is being downloaded from Creative Fabrica. Now let's head on over to the Creative Fabrica website so that I can show you the file and get it downloaded and then uploaded into Cricut Design Space. I am on the Creative Fabrica website, and what I did was just a search for the phrase Hello Spring, and this one caught my eye because I like designs that are bold and bright and don't require someone to come up close to have to read what's on my shirt. So I'm going to click download, and when I do that, it will give me the zipped folder that's down here at the bottom left of my screen. I'm going to click on that folder. I'm going to click extract all. I'm going to select browse, and I am going to navigate to my Creative Fabrica files folder, and I'm going to give this folder a name, and I'll just call it Hello Spring T-shirt because I think I have another file that's already called Hello Spring. Okay, so Hello Spring T-shirt. Now I will select the folder and I will click extract. So now the files are extracted into that folder, and once I get to Cricut Design Space, I will upload them from the folder. Now let's head over to Cricut Design Space. I am in Cricut Design Space and I am going to actually connect to my Cricut Explore Air 2. And what I'm going to do is click upload, and I am going to do a search for that image that I just downloaded. It is in my documents folders in my Creative Fabrica files. Remember that one was called Hello Spring T-shirt, and I'm going to click open. I'm going to double click on the folder, and I'm going to select the one that is the Microsoft Edge HTML. That is actually an SVG or a cut file. I'm going to select the file. I like it like that already, and I am going to select it and add it to my canvas. Now when the file comes in, I can see that it's really big, and that's okay. I'll reduce the view on my canvas to right at 50%, and I will also bring the size of the file down to just right at a width of 10. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is grab a t-shirt template. The size of the t-shirt that I'm using is a men's short sleeve medium, and the color of the shirt is a navy blue. So it's a little bit darker than this. That one is fine. And the color of the vinyl that I'm using is a little bit different, but that really does not matter. What I'm going to do is I am going to see how this size looks on the shirt. I think it looks okay. I'm a little bit concerned about that long stem right there above the L in hello. And let me see. I think it'll look fine. What I'm going to do is click on the file. I am going to ungroup it because what I actually want to do is make sure that all of the pink parts or the peach parts of this file are attached, and I want to make sure that all of the greenish letters are attached. So I'll do that first. I'm going to hold my shift key and I'm going to pay attention to what is in my layers panel. So I'm going to hold the shift key and I'm going to select everything over here that is green. Okay, and let me make sure that I don't have anything else selected just the green portion. Okay, hello. All right, and I want to attach that. Hopefully I don't have, oh, I have the word hello. I mean, I have the word spring that's attached. Okay, so I should not have that. I should just have the green portion. Let me click attach and see if I got it right. I did not. I'm going to click undo, and I am going to try that again. I'm going to select the ELLO. I'm going to hold the shift key, and I'm going to select the H, and I'm going to attach that. Now I can just move this out for now, and I can select everything. Let me click undo. And I can select everything else that's over here because I do want that to stay in that place just like that. And I can attach this, and now I am ready to click make it because this will fit in here perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to click make it. I should have 2 mats. I am going to mirror both mats because I'm using heat transfer vinyl. This color changing vinyl should be used just like any other heat transfer vinyl. And so I'm going to load both of the mats and I'm going to mirror them. Okay, I'm going to click continue. I will get the blue vinyl cut first, and I'm using the everyday iron-on setting, and then I will get the pink vinyl cut next. I'll speed this part up. While I was recording, my dog was literally gnawing on this thing in the background, so you may hear that while I am getting the vinyl cut. Please disregard it because he would not stop. This UV activated color changing vinyl is supposed to be pressed on 315 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. So you see the vinyl, it looks just like regular white heat transfer vinyl. It doesn't look special at all. Yeah, I have parchment paper on top. I'm not going to press this for the full 30 seconds. I might press it for 15 seconds because I'm going to have to press it again once I get the other 2 pieces that go with this image. I am going to go ahead and peel this, even though it is a cool peel. And I'll get this placed where I want it. I'm excited about this. I'm very excited about this. I'll just get this lined up. I'll use my parchment paper, and this time I'll do the full press for 30 seconds. All right, I am going to let it cool just a little bit. I'm going to turn my heat press off. And just let it cool a little bit. It just looks like regular white vinyl. So I'm excited to see how it's going to look once I get outside. I'm excited about that. Okay, I'm just let it cool off just a little bit. Let it cool off just a little bit, and I will peel it. Okay, peel it and reveal it. All right, I'll get this shirt put on and we will see what it does once I get outside in the sun. I'm excited. Okay, so I just barely made enough light. Hopefully you can see that the blue is a little bit light. I do have a picture of when it first changed to blue, but you can see that the pink is pink, and hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and turning on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Thank you so much for joining me today, and Thanks for watching. Bye.